So big picture, how does the nervous system affect blood flow? Right, we talked about the hormonal mediator version, but the nervous system does this too. So parasympathetic nervous system causes an increase in GI blood flow, okay, particularly to the stomach and the lower colon, but all. The PSNS also causes an increase in secretory activity, glandular activity, okay? That makes sense. It's doing its job as rest and digest system, right? It's stimulating the GI tract and getting it ready to do its job. The SNS tends, when the SNS is significantly activated, so I'm not talking about you're nervous about a test, okay? I'm talking about you just about crashed into somebody on the highway, okay? So big sympathetic nervous system. You're going to get big vasoconstriction throughout the GI tract, all right? Now, autoregulation still trumps sympathetic nervous system. Okay, remember that from a long time ago? So even though you just about crashed into the semi-truck, you had intense vasoconstriction throughout your GI tract, yes. But if you have, let's say you just had breakfast, right? And you have areas that are in need of blood flow, they're still going to get them. Okay, they're still going to get that blood flow because the local vasodilators will win out over the sympathetic vasoconstriction, just like it would anywhere else in the body, right? Now, if you have a severe SNS stimulation for a long period of time, okay, so like you really are running from a mountain lion who's chasing you, right? Okay, now, or the mountain lion got you and you lost a liter of blood, okay? Then autoregulation will still not generate much blood flow. Okay, so essentially the way I want you to think about this is normal everyday sympathetic nervous system activation is top bullet point. Autoregulation is still going to win. If your SNS is activated because you're actively trying to die, like cardiovascularly trying to die, then that your autoregulation is not going to win in the gut. Okay, even to the extent that you will infarct your gut to save your life. You know, in other words, the SNS will keep it clamped down because it would rather have you have blood flow to your heart and kidneys than your GI tract, right? Okay. So that intense vasoconstriction, not only does it keep blood moving to the muscles where you need it, but also this severe version, like you're trying not to die, if you can shrink the vessels in your gut, you get a lot more blood flowing to the areas that need it, like the heart and kidneys. So the SNS is essentially tapping into the gut as a blood reservoir to keep you from dying, right?